Right, so we're back. So we're back to swap this top. So now we've got the right size top. We are going to put it in there, and then we're going to have a floating top there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we're going to have a floating top without seeing the bracket. How do we think we're going to do that? We are going to do it. Looks like play day. Where's my brackets going?
Down the ball down
Don't cry for me, Argentina. So, we're going to use one of these brackets. And instead of screwing the bracket like that, so you see it, we're going to screw the bracket like that, so you don't see it. Then we're going to router a bit of the top out, and it'll sit in back, and it'll just sit, hold the top on. But obviously there, bish bash bosh.